Have you ever tried this kind of bread? Do you know what it is? Lots of people stand in the line for hours to get it. Now, to get your answers, and the most important one, how to bake it, watch this video. Hello friends, welcome to the first video of the Delicious Food channel. Tonight we're gonna see the production process of an Iranian bread called barbari. Let's watch the rest of the video together. Why so many people are standing in the line.
ببین در زمانی که میخوای بندازی داخل تنور یکم آرومتر برو که من با دوربین باید بیام. برو. پرتاب دستی داری داداش، پرتاب دستی داری.
It's time to know more about the bakery. But before that, please like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. Let's see the line of customers here. Here's the last one at the line. Normally it takes about an hour to get your bread, but it's not crowded now. Well, we are standing outside the bakery where people are cutting and cooling their bread. You can see they are cutting their bread and waiting for it to get cool. There the shelves are, and you can see everything through bread to cookies for selling to customers. The shelves are usually empty, but on some of them are something from time to time. This is the front part of the line, and men and women are waiting for their turns.